Hey, it's Ryan Cavino with Northeast Realty Partners and RyanCavinoRealEstate.com, bringing you the Medford Mass single family market update for the past 2 weeks with obviously today, week ending October 20th. Let's take a look at what's going on. Three new listings: Gaston Street, Andrews Street, Norwich Circle. Right smack dab in the middle here is 74 Gaston Street, which is over by Brackett and by the pond over there on the Melrose. Um, Melrose Malden line, quick access to 93. It is a cute looking house, hardwood floors. Looks like it's nicely painted. The kitchen could use a few updates, but it's a nice price point. 379, 42 Norwich Circle. Looks like a nice garrison, which is off Grove Street, and nice West Medford location. Good sized backyard. Um, it looks like it's referencing that it could use some updates in love, but there are some hardwood floors, which is really nice. And this property is something that a lot of people will like. It is being disclosed that it has an older roof and it needs an updated heating system. But if you look at the average, it's about 329,600. Now, this past 14 days or so, a similar property, which is around the corner from Norwich Circle, which is 260 Grove Street, went under agreement at 425. It's obviously a different type of style. It's a split, but it's still in similar condition. It looks new. Looks like it needs some potential Pottery Barn updates for today's 2010 styles, but it doesn't make reference to anything about a roof or heating system, which is great. And that's for about $45,000 more. The highest one was 32 Madison Street, which is over in West Medford. And this looks like it's a new construction on kind of a small lot. They were able to get a house in there, and they put it on for $629, which I think they were able to get fairly quickly. Yeah, just about 48 days, which is terrific. And the realtor is a really educated person with pricing his properties. And nice hardwood floors, 2,300 square feet. It looks like it's basically a condo that's on a single family lot. I've seen some of this guy's work before. It looks very similar, very well done. So that's the highest one. That's a nice looking property. And then we have what's sold, Malvern Terrace for $190,000, 49 days. What's going on here? Why did this sell for $190,000? There's the nice wide angle lens right there. Trip window for great light. New roof, fridge, water heater, and updated electric. And it just needed some work. It was about 1,200 square feet. So who knows? But the average for under agreement this week is 379,400 with just over 3 months for market time. And then the sold was about 105 days, and that actually had less of a closing price, which is a little surprising. And this Malvern Terrace probably has something to do with it. Let's see what happens if we delete the $190,000 property to bring everything more to scale. Yeah, and you see that longer market time, longer days on market, and that Malvern Terrace was only on for 48. So this is more of a true one. But this 57 Paris was 278, so this is a little bit of an anomaly too. Let's see if it was a short sale. No. Started at 420 and closed for 342. Let's see when they bought it. $139 from 1991. So they've been there a while. Let's throw in the rest of the actives and see what is going on. Truly, with our theories, and you know what? We gotta go back 2 weeks. Come on. We want to see what the average price was for the last 2 weeks and the average price for what's gone under agreement versus what everything else is doing. So we got 105 listings, 394 average, 85-day average. Now we have the under agreement took longer time and took less money, which doesn't really happen all the time when we do these analysis. And then same with 105, it took longer and less money. So it goes in the reverse direction for everything we usually see, but it happens every now and again. If you have any questions, give me a shout, 978-835-6870 or Ryan at ryancavino.com.